everybody, and welcome to the video. Today we are going to be doing an Ipsy versus a Boxycharm. I decided instead of doing separate videos for these two, I would just put them together and see which box is better. If you guys enjoy these types of videos, then just give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting me know which box you liked the best, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. It would mean the world to me. And yeah, so let's go ahead and do the Ipsy versus a Boxycharm. First, I am going to start out with my Boxycharm since it is a newer subscription to me. So we're gonna open it up and see how good it is this month. Okay, so this month's Boxycharm theme is all natural, which I think that's how you pronounce this. You can't see it. Oh well. And then there's this like $10 coupon that I'm not going to use. And the very first thing on the very top of the box is an Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. And I'm pretty excited about this. I love face masks, and yeah, let's see if it smells good. Oh yeah, it smells pretty freaking good. I'm pretty excited about this. And the retail value for this is $35. The next thing in the box is a Luxie brush set. I'm not going to pronounce this word, but that's what it is. And yeah, let's see what we got going on in here. So we have some wooden brushes from Luxie. We have a foundation brush, a large eye blending brush, and a precision crease brush. So these are just like painted wooden sticks. Like this is what Luxie brushes normally look like. They're plasticky pink handles versus these wooden ones. You can tell the difference. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about these. I'm probably not going to use the foundation brush simply because I tried one like this and I don't like how it applies my foundation personally. I know you can use them for face masks, but it's just a messy cleanup. I like my silicone ones, so I might find another use for this. I just don't know what yet. And I think I already have one of these brushes. Hold on. Oh, I have one like it, but it's not the same one. So yeah, you can never have too many brushes. And the 3-piece retail value for these are $30. The next thing in this box is cleansing spa water, I guess just like makeup removing wipes. It contains natural It contains natural herbal essences, using some big old weird word, natural spa water, oil free and mildly acidic. Okay. It's by the brand Jindu. I don't know. Yeah, they're makeup removers and you only get 10 in here. What's the retail value on that? $17 for 10 makeup wipes. Okay, well, I paid like $5 or $6 for these makeup wipes, and you get 40 in here for like $6. I don't care what kind of water is in here. I would never pay that, and this is kind of like a crap item if you, you know, I don't know. I'm not gonna say anything else. That's stupid. Anyways, moving on. The next thing in here is a Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Santorini, which I don't know how this is a natural shade since that's the theme of the box, but yeah, let's give it a swatchy poo. So there's the color. It's just a berry tone. And I don't think I've ever seen Ofra having their shade names actually on here. Hold on, let me check. Yeah, see, my other Ofra one has the shade name on the bottom, so that's kind of weird. Unless they've changed their packaging, I don't know. But Yeah, I think I would have picked this one for an all natural box than this berry tone one. That's just a little weird. But anyways, the retail value for this is $20. And the last thing in this box is a Butter London eyeshadow palette, which the packaging is really cute. This is in Natural Goddess. And yeah, this is a super cute palette. I don't see me doing like a full look with this palette. This looks more like eyeshadow toppers, just because there's just not enough here to create one look. So you have 4 of these shimmer shades, 2 mattes. I'm not going to swatch them. I'm not sure if I'm going to make a separate video on this or not, or just give it away. So I'm just going to leave it at that. So this was everything in the Boxycharm box, and the total value for this was $32. Okay, calculator. You got it? So the total value for the Boxycharm box was $134. So that's a good value there. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the Ipsy box. So let's see what we got working in here. Let's see if it's better than the Boxycharm, and I'll give you my thoughts at the end of the video. So, oh, this is different. So the packaging, the little foam thing is actually yellow this time. That's different. And I guess it goes along with this theme, Dive In. So that's pretty cute. The first thing in this box is a Huda Beauty. Why do I always say that? Huda Beauty. And okay, this is a Huda Beauty little eyeshadow palette in Smoky Obsessions. They gave these out several boxes ago, and this is the one I did not want to get. I wanted the mauve one, so here's this one here, and here's the mauve one. And I haven't even used it yet. I was kind of just waiting to use it during the fall time. I can't talk, but yeah, I don't see myself using this at all. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette, and I think I would prefer using that one over this one because they, I think, look pretty similar, but we'll see. I might use it, I'm not sure. And the retail value on this is $27 for this little guy. And the next item in the box is this Pixie Glow Mist. So that's fun. It's just a nourishing mist. You just spray it on your face because, you know, it's an all-over face mist for a glowing, luminous, smooth complexion enriched with 21 natural oils. So, yeah, you get the idea. This retails for $15, and I love me some Pixie products, so that's good. The next thing in the box is from Purlisse, which I love Purlisse. This is a Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. So, what do you do with this? Yeah, you just put it on your face in the morning or at night for aqua bombage on the face, I guess. Yeah, it's just a face cream type thing. Let's see if it smells good. Oh yeah, it smells just like watermelon. Oh, that's good stuff right there. The retail value on this little baby is $45, so that's a good deal. The next thing in the box is from Wander Beauty, and it's a Catch the Light highlighter and Glotion illuminator thing. I don't know what this is. I got it in the shade Cestal. What's that word? Celestial. Yes, okay. I don't really know what this is because it has like, oh wait, I'm confused. Well, let's smell it while we have this top off. Okay. Okay, so it smells good. But I don't know what is this thing on top? Is this a highlighting stick? Oh, it is. Okay. I'm confused. Oh, wait, I'm not going to swatch it. I don't know. What does this say? Oh, okay, so it's a 2-in-1. Okay, it's a 2-in-1. Okay. There's a liquid side and then a stick side. So basically you have a stick and a liquid. Great. Okay, cool. And the value of this thing is $34. Okay. And the last thing in this box is a mascara from Thrive Cosmetics. And we have it in the shade Bryn. And this is a really thick box. Okay. I think I've heard of this brand, but I don't know. Oh, she's a heavy little thing. And she's cute though. Why is she so heavy? She's like the heaviest I've ever had. Okay. That was a weird explanation for that. It's a liquid lash extension or something. Hold on. Yeah, okay, so this is liquid lash extensions. A single swipe of this volumizing, lengthening mascara will even help make sparse lashes look like extensions. It comes with an innovative comb-shaped wand that adds definition, separates lashes, and helps prevent clumping, while the formula is infused with orchard stem cell complex to stimulate lash growth and soft fibers for dramatic length and lift. Oh, that's cool. By the way, this is a value of $24. Okay, so this is the wand, and I'm not mad about it because I really like these types of wands, but the packaging itself is so heavy, especially just the top. But it's super cute, and I'm pretty excited to test this out. So yeah, this is a pretty good box. I'm happy about it. So the total value of this box was $145. So the value is higher than the Boxycharm box. And if I had to pick which box I liked the best, I would have to say the Ipsy box, which I was going to cancel my Ipsy and only have Boxycharm. But like, this Ipsy box beat Boxycharm, honestly. The only thing I didn't like in the Ipsy box was the Huda Beauty little mauve palette, and the only thing I didn't like out of the other box was these stupid little freaking cleansing wipes, or makeup removers. That's so dumb and way overpriced. And for the fact that this Ultra lipstick, even though it's super pretty and I would definitely wear it, it doesn't go with a theme. That's just weird. But I'm more into the products I got in my Ipsy box, so, you know. I'm pretty excited to try all these things. Okay, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. And, yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!